Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is how you can have your own all-in-one marketing system online for your business and how to be successful with it, and even create a duplicatable system for you and your team and your business. So with that, we're going to dive right in this and actually show you step by step how you can do that. So if you are looking to increase leads, have more conversions, and actually even have a greater sense of duplication when it comes to your team, you want to stay tuned for this video right here. So with that, we're going to dive right into this video and show you guys all the meat and potatoes, and just stay tuned and I'll see you shortly.
Welcome to Nowsite, the most complete automated online marketing system for direct sales and network marketers. I'd like to give you a quick tour of the platform and show you how to finish setting up your account. In about 3 minutes, you'll be ready to start marketing online like a pro. By the way, if you ever want to watch this video again, just click the blue support button in the bottom corner of the screen. Let's start in the website section, where we've optimized 2 great sales funnels for LifeVantage. The first sales funnel is all about LifeVantage products. It starts with a compelling lead capture form that captures the prospect's contact information. This page has already been set up to lead to a second page where we share videos and other information about LifeVantage. This second page has buttons that will take your prospect to LifeVantage main website. You're going to want to make sure that your affiliate link is set up correctly. To do this, click Edit on the website. Click the Edit button on the left side menu. Scroll down to the first button and click on that section. On the left side, make sure that the redirect site has your correct affiliate link. If you need to make a change, go ahead, change it, click OK, and save and exit. This second sales funnel is all about the LifeVantage business opportunity. It starts with a clear, persuasive lead capture form and is already linked to a website that describes LifeVantage's business opportunity. Once again, let's make sure your affiliate link is set up properly. Again, click Edit on the website. Click the Edit button on the left side menu. Scroll down to the button and click on that section. On the left side, make sure that the redirect site has your correct affiliate link. If you need to make a change, go ahead, change it, click OK, and save and exit. Both of these sales funnels are ready to go. You can customize the URL if you wish, or you can start sharing the link to your first page of these sales funnels on social media or over email and text message. You can customize any other part of these funnels anytime you like by clicking on the Edit button and using our simple drag and drop interface. And you can create as many landing pages and websites as you wish. When a prospect enters their contact information, they will be added automatically to your contacts, and they will begin to receive an email series that is already hooked up and ready to go. To see the email campaign for yourself, click on the email section. Here you'll find a pre-built email campaign for LifeVantage, all ready to go to help you automate your follow-up with your prospects. Again, these email campaigns are already connected to both sales funnels, but you are free to customize the campaigns or create new email campaigns anytime. Just click Edit and then open up the email you'd like to change. You can add buttons, images, links, and more. Your subscription includes 10,000 marketing emails per month to help ensure that your business stays top of mind with your prospects. Let's head over to the content section, where you'll see that we have already created dozens of social media posts that are ready for you to use on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to help you attract interest in the LifeVantage opportunity. Just download them and post on social media as always. Check back regularly. We'll keep adding fresh posts every month to drive even more engagement. Further down in the content section, you'll also find tons of great articles, videos, tools, and training from top industry leaders, all available to you anytime you want to expand your sales, marketing, and networking skills. In our contact section, you'll have access to a simple but powerful customer relationship management system. You can import your contacts, create and manage lists, and much more. In the analytics section, we are proud to give you the most complete, most intuitive marketing analytics available anywhere. So you can track not only your lead generation, but the engagement you have with each of your prospects across all platforms, your websites, your email campaigns, your blog, your Facebook account, with more integrations being added every month. When you're ready to start advertising online, just click online ads and we can provide you with the most proven ads to drive even more traffic to your LifeVantage sales funnels. And we'll publish your ads across a network of over 1 million websites worldwide. Last but not least, we've already activated our proprietary AI-powered content engine on your primary sales funnel. Every day, our system will recommend relevant, popular articles, videos, and images about your business category for you to effortlessly post on your social media, publish on your website's blog, and email to your prospects as a daily newsletter. We call it 3-click marketing, and it's an incredibly powerful way to attract interest in your business. And it's already set up and ready to go. We hope you've enjoyed this short tour of your new marketing system. To watch this video again, or if you ever need help, just click the blue support button in the bottom right corner. Our support team is here 7 days a week to answer all of your questions. You are now ready to get started marketing online like a pro. As a first step, we recommend that you click on social marketing and post the first article we recommend on your social media, and then start sharing your new sales funnels with your contacts. Thanks for watching, and here's to your online marketing success.
What did I tell you? Welcome back. And what did I tell you guys? This right here is a game changer for you and your business, and even maybe your team business. If you know some people who are involved with this, maybe you want to start a team yourself. Maybe you know how to create that duplicatable system for you. But this right here is exactly what you need for it to do so. Also, to increase those leads and conversions into sales. This right here is everything. You have the capture pages, landing pages, the email marketing, the social marketing that has unlimited content. Oh my, this is amazing, guys. I tell you right now, this is sincerely guarantee a game changer. I've been using it for some other businesses I do too, but hey, if you're looking for this just for your specific business right here, that you saw what it can do for it, you don't want to miss out, and you don't want to wait until it's too late. Guys, I'm telling you right now, it's a perfect time, because people think that things are slowing down, but they're not. They're actually speeding up. And to be online and have an online presence is a necessity right now. We just experienced the biggest shutdown that you had to be able to pivot to online. So to be able to have that presence and to be able to market to anyone constantly and be on the top of mind anywhere in the world, this is huge, guys. You don't want to miss it. So like I said, guys, if you want this, feel free to comment below. If you have any questions about this, feel free to comment below. Also, you can also give me a call on my cell phone or text me. It's my numbers in the description as well. So that's my direct line. So I have no problem answering any calls for you, or actually answering any texts or anything like that. I am here to help you, to assist you with that, to answer any questions, to get you going, to basically help you be successful with your business. The greatest thing about this whole platform is that they give you support. It's not just about, hey, here's something that you can go and figure out yourself. It's a done for you platform. That's what people are lacking. They want to get online, but they just don't understand how to do it. It takes all that thinking out of the way for you. It does it for you, guys. Gives you the ability to create, to have a capture page for your product and your services, as well as one for the opportunity. It's a double win, guys. It's a no-brainer, and hopefully you got some value for this one. So with that, if you did get value from this video, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below that big subscribe button. And right next to it is that little bell. Click that bell and click all. Anytime I put out any new videos, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just made a new video and you like this last one. You might want to check this one out too, because you're most likely is going to get some good value. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. If you want to get started, click on the link below. Also, you can reach me on different social media platforms if you want. And until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.